In a world where technology and innovation drive economies, one nation has been steadily and surely establishing its dominance as a manufacturing powerhouse. This nation is none other than China. With its distinctive red flag fluttering in the winds of global trade, China has etched its mark as a manufacturing giant on the world map. But how did this transformation occur? What are the secrets behind China's manufacturing monopoly? How did this ancient civilization, known for its rich culture and history, become a modern manufacturing marvel? What were the key factors that contributed to its rise to dominance? And what challenges does it face as it continues to evolve? In this video, we will explore these questions and more. From China's rise to dominance, the secrets behind its success, to the challenges it faces and its future, we invite you to join us on this insightful journey into the world of global manufacturing. Stay tuned as we unravel the complexities of China's manufacturing prowess and delve into the anatomy of this powerhouse. This isn't just a story about a country, it's a story about the people, the policies, the technology, and the relentless pursuit of excellence that turned a nation into a global manufacturing titan. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on an adventure into the heart of China's manufacturing empire. Hey there, welcome back to Vision Vibes, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of China's monopoly in manufacturing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you're in the right place to learn something new and exciting. As we progress on this journey, let's take a more comprehensive look into the metamorphosis of China's manufacturing sector. This is not merely a tale that can be quantified by numbers, it's a saga of transformation, transitioning from the production of low-quality merchandise to the creation of high-end products that lock horns with the best in the world. Rewinding to a couple of decades ago, the Made in China tag was often synonymous with inexpensive, inferior-quality goods. Nevertheless, China remained unfazed by this less-than-complimentary image. Rather, its industries started an unwavering pursuit of excellence and quality enhancement. This journey, though remarkable, was far from being a straightforward path. The transmutation from inexpensive substandard goods to top-quality, globally competitive products was a complex process, punctuated by significant technological developments. The Chinese manufacturing sector demonstrated remarkable agility in adopting and adapting to emerging trends. The term automation started reverberating across production lines as manufacturers turned to robotics and sophisticated machinery to fine-tune production processes, enhance precision, and boost output. Technological advancements were not confined to physical machinery alone. Artificial intelligence emerged as a significant catalyst in this transformation. China's industries have been channeling considerable into AI, machine learning, and big data analytics. This not only automates tasks but equips them to predict market trends, understand consumer behavior, supply chains. Quality control, a key determinant of product value, underwent a significant overhaul as well. Industries in China embraced rigorous quality control procedures, aligning themselves with international standards. The emphasis now is not just on meeting quantity targets, but also ensuring that each product rolling off the production line meets the highest quality standards. Meanwhile, strategic partnerships began to play a pivotal role in China's manufacturing evolution. The country established robust alliances with global behemoths, researchers, and innovators. These collaborations facilitated knowledge exchange and technology transfer, allowing China to stay ahead of the innovation curve. Today, in China tag encompasses a broad spectrum of top-tier products, ranging from electronics to automobiles to textiles and beyond. These products have the capability to compete with the crème de la crème of global manufacturing giants. In summary, the catalyst's ascendancy as the world's manufacturing epicenter were not merely the availability of cost-effective labor and comprehensive production capabilities. It was a potent concoction of next-gen technological advancements, robust quality control measures, and alliances. However, the question remains, is this the end of the evolution, or are there more layers to this narrative? To unravel this complex web, we must delve deeper. China didn't just stumble upon its manufacturing monopoly, it was a calculated move. Let's delve into the secrets behind China's success, the factors that have catapulted it to the zenith of global manufacturing. One of the pivotal factors is the low labor cost. China's vast population means that there is a robust supply of workers, making labor relatively inexpensive. This has allowed companies to manufacture goods at a lower cost compared to other countries. But it's not just about numbers, it's also about the workforce's resilience and diligence, a testament to the Chinese work ethic. Next, Let's talk about mass production capabilities. China has honed the art of manufacturing on a colossal scale, with factories that churn out products at an astonishing rate. This mass production is facilitated by the efficient assembly lines and the use of advanced machinery, which has been a game changer in reducing production time and enhancing product quality. Government policies have also played a significant role in China's manufacturing dominance. The Chinese government has been instrumental in creating a conducive environment for manufacturing, with policies that encourage industrial growth and attract foreign investment. This has fostered a thriving manufacturing sector and has been a magnet for global businesses. But here's the kicker: China's strategic investment in infrastructure and technology. A well-developed infrastructure network including ports, roads, and railways has made it easier to transport goods internally and externally. Coupled with this, China's focus on technological advancements has been pivotal in propelling its manufacturing sector. From automation to artificial intelligence, China has been at the forefront of integrating technology into its manufacturing processes, enhancing efficiency and productivity. So we see that China's manufacturing success is not an accident. It's a result of strategic decisions, a resilient workforce, and an unwavering commitment to technological advancements and infrastructure development. But how does China's manufacturing prowess compare to other countries? We will explore this in the next segment. Stay tuned. Let's break down the key factors that have propelled China to its manufacturing supremacy. First up is the low labor cost. China's vast population provides a seemingly endless supply of workers, which keeps wages competitive. It's not just about the numbers, it's also about the work ethic. Chinese workers are known for their resilience and diligence, a testament to the national work ethic. Now let's delve deeper into China's mass production capabilities. Factories in China are designed for efficiency, with assembly lines that optimize production and reduce waste. This is backed by advanced machinery, which not only increases output but also enhances product quality. These factories can turn out products at an astonishing rate, which has been a game changer in reducing production time and enhancing product quality. But the story doesn't end there. The Chinese government has been instrumental in creating a conducive environment for manufacturing. Policies that encourage industrial growth and attract foreign investment have been key in fostering a thriving manufacturing sector. But it's not just about creating a friendly business environment. The government has also invested heavily in infrastructure, building roads, ports, and railways that facilitate the transport of goods both internally and externally. This strategic investment in infrastructure has been a game changer, making it easier to move goods around the country and to ports for export. These pillars of success have not only shaped China's manufacturing landscape, but also influenced global manufacturing trends. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how these factors continue to shape China's manufacturing sector and its role on the global stage. Stay tuned as we compare China's manufacturing prowess with other countries. When we pit China against other manufacturing giants, the contrast is stark. Let's begin with the United States. Once a manufacturing powerhouse, the US has seen its industrial sector shrink in the face of global competition. The high cost of labor, stringent regulations, and aging industrial infrastructure have all contributed to the decline. In contrast, China's comparatively lower labor costs, relaxed regulations, and modern manufacturing facilities give it a distinct advantage. Now let's consider Germany. Known for its precision engineering and high-quality products, German manufacturing is a force to be reckoned with. However, the high cost of production, driven by expensive labor and high energy costs, can't compete with China's cost-effectiveness. Moreover, China's sheer production capabilities, powered by its vast labor force and efficient supply chains, dwarf Germany's output. Next up is Japan. With its advanced technology and lean manufacturing techniques, Japan has carved out a niche for itself. But like Germany, it struggles with high production costs. Additionally, Japan's shrinking workforce presents a significant challenge for its manufacturing sector. On the other hand, China's burgeoning population provides an almost inexhaustible supply of labor, ensuring its production lines keep whirring. Now let's take a brief look at government policies. In the US, Germany, and Japan, government interference in business is typically limited, adhering to a more laissez-faire approach. But in China, the government plays a much more active role, often providing subsidies and incentives to boost its manufacturing sector. This has led to the rapid growth and development of China's manufacturing industry, giving it a leg up over its competitors. But it's not just about cost or government support, it's also about scale. China's vast population and growing middle class mean it has one of the largest domestic markets in the world. This huge internal market allows Chinese manufacturers to achieve economies of scale that are simply unattainable for most of their foreign competitors. Furthermore, China's strategic location in the heart of Asia, coupled with its massive investment in infrastructure, has made it a global hub for logistics and trade. This has further boosted its manufacturing prowess, enabling it to quickly and efficiently deliver products to markets around the world. Of course, it's not all rosy. China's manufacturing sector faces numerous challenges, including rising labor costs, environmental concerns, and growing international scrutiny. But despite these hurdles, its manufacturing industry continues to thrive, driven by a combination of favorable factors that are hard to replicate. In conclusion, when we compare China's manufacturing industry with those of other countries, it's clear that a mix of low labor costs, vast production capabilities, supportive government policies, and a massive domestic market give China a competitive edge. China's manufacturing monopoly is not without its challenges, though. While China excels in manufacturing, it faces challenges that could potentially disrupt its dominance. Firstly, let's delve into the increasing labor costs. As China's economy continues to grow, so too does the average wage of its workers. This is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it reflects the rising living standards and the development of the middle class. On the other hand, it makes China less attractive as a low-cost manufacturing hub. Businesses are always on the lookout for cost-saving opportunities, and rising labor costs could push them to explore manufacturing options in other countries. Next, we have environmental concerns. China's rapid industrialization comes with a hefty environmental toll. The country is grappling with pollution issues, and there's increasing pressure both domestically and internationally to adopt more sustainable practices. This shift towards eco-friendliness could impose additional costs on manufacturers, making China's manufacturing sector less competitive. The third challenge is increasing competition from other countries. Nations like India, Vietnam, and Mexico are emerging as attractive alternatives for manufacturing due to their lower labor costs and strategic location. They're investing heavily in infrastructure and policy reforms to lure foreign investors, presenting a real threat to China's monopoly. Now let's look at the possible future scenarios for China's manufacturing industry. It's highly likely that China will continue to be a manufacturing powerhouse, but its share of the global manufacturing pie may shrink. The country is already transitioning from a labor-intensive economy to one driven by technology and innovation. In the future, we might see China leading in high-tech manufacturing, but it may lose some ground in low-cost, labor-intensive sectors. Another possible scenario is that China could successfully address these challenges and maintain its dominance. It could leverage its massive domestic market, advanced infrastructure, and government support to retain businesses. It could also lead the way in green manufacturing, turning environmental concerns into a competitive advantage. So, will China continue to dominate the world of manufacturing? Only time will tell. In our journey today, we've explored many facets of China's manufacturing industry. We've delved into the reasons behind China's meteoric rise to becoming a manufacturing powerhouse. Factors such as low production costs, a vast and diligent workforce, and strategic governmental policies have propelled China to the forefront of global manufacturing. We also compared China's manufacturing industry with those of other countries. Despite increasing competition, China's dominance remains unchallenged. Still, the industry isn't without its challenges. Issues like environmental concerns, labor disputes, and the push for technological innovation continue to shape its landscape. In conclusion, China's manufacturing monopoly is more than just a label on a product. It's a complex tapestry woven from countless threads of economic, social, and political factors. As we continue to purchase made-in-China products, let's remember the complexities and dynamics of the global manufacturing industry. As we journey deeper into the world of manufacturing, let's take a moment to unravel the complexities behind China's rise as a global manufacturing powerhouse. The success story of China's manufacturing industry is a combination of strategic foresight, human resilience, and technological prowess. Firstly, China's strategic economic policies have played a pivotal role in its manufacturing success. A prime example of this is the Made in China 2025 initiative. This government-backed plan is not just about maintaining the status quo, but about transforming China from a low-cost manufacturer into a high-tech powerhouse. The initiative focuses on areas like robotics, aerospace, and clean energy cars, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. Secondly, China's vast and dedicated workforce is a cornerstone of its manufacturing success. With a population of over 1.3 billion people, China has a seemingly endless supply of labor. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the resilience, the diligence, and the increasing skill level of this workforce, which allows for a level of production that few other countries can match. Thirdly, technology has been a game changer for China's manufacturing industry. From AI and robotics to 5G and quantum computing, China's technological advancements have pushed the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. Lastly, the role of government support in fostering industrial growth cannot be underestimated. Heavy investment in infrastructure coupled with policies that encourage innovation and growth have created an environment conducive to manufacturing success. So, as we continue to purchase made-in-China products, let's remember the complexities and dynamics of the global manufacturing industry. It's not just about the label on a product. It's about understanding the intricate tapestry of factors that make it possible. As we journey deeper into the world of manufacturing, let's take a moment to unravel the complexities behind China's rise as a global manufacturing powerhouse. The success of China's manufacturing industry didn't happen overnight. It's a product of strategic economic policies, a vast and dedicated workforce, and rapid technological advancements. China's Made in China initiative is a good example of this strategic approach. It's a government-backed plan aimed at transforming China from a low-cost manufacturer into a high-tech powerhouse. The initiative focuses on areas like robotics, aerospace, and clean energy cars, among others. Another key factor is China's massive workforce. With over 1.3 billion people, China has a seemingly endless supply of labor. This allows for a level of production that few other countries can match. But it's not just about numbers. It's about a workforce that's dedicated, disciplined, and increasingly skilled. And then there's technology. China has been rapidly catching up with the West in terms of technological capabilities. From AI and robotics to 5G and quantum computing, China is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing. But as we compare China's manufacturing industry with those of other countries, it's clear that each has its strengths and weaknesses. Some countries may excel in certain areas, while others may have unique challenges to overcome. But at the end of the day, it's about understanding the bigger picture, the complex interplay of economic, social, and political factors that shape the global manufacturing landscape. So, as we continue to purchase made-in-China products, let's remember the complexities and dynamics of the global manufacturing industry. It's not just about the label on a product, it's about understanding the intricate tapestry of factors that make it possible. While we've been talking about China's manufacturing prowess, there's another monopoly that's worth discussing: the chip manufacturers. In the world of microprocessors and semiconductors, a few key players hold sway. Companies like Intel, AMD, and Taiwan's TSMC dominate the market, leaving little room for competition. This dominance is not without its downsides. The lack of competition can lead to high prices, and the concentration of production in a few companies creates a potential for supply chain disruptions. We've seen this play out during the pandemic, where a global chip shortage affected industries from automobiles to home appliances. The impact of this monopoly extends beyond the manufacturing industry. It affects the global tech industry at large, from smartphones and computers to data centers and artificial intelligence systems. The reliance on a few key players poses risks. If one of these giants falters, it could send shockwaves through the global economy. As we delve deeper into the world of manufacturing, it's clear that monopolies, while beneficial for some, can have far-reaching consequences. Whether it's made-in-China products or chips from a handful of manufacturers, the world's reliance on a few key players paints a complex picture of global manufacturing. That's all for today, folks. Remember to keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep pushing your limits. Until next time, take care and happy China's monopoly on manufacturing, and at last, don't forget to subscribe for more related videos like this, like the video which will help to motivate us, and share the video with friends and family.